This is Rajesh, CEO of Sri Balamurugan Engineering Enterprises. And we are into this business since 1980, and we specialize in manufacturing of precision industrial machinery and industrial valve components. So we have machinery such as laser cutting, CNC bending, VMC, gun mill, robotic welding, laser welding, shot blasting, painting. So we can process material from raw material till finished component under one roof. So our major customers are L&T, Emerson, Dover, and brake controls. So we purchased our first VMC last year, and we were struggling to find a very good programmer and setup for our VMC. Since we are into low volume and high variety, our work was very skill dependent, and it was really a struggle to maintain the consistency throughout the manufacturing process. So through my friends and network, I found out that EspritCAM will be suitable for our VMC, and we already did a lot of market research on the product, and we found out that Millwright is the distributor for Esprit, and they were capable of supporting us and providing us a lifelong support. So one of the reasons we chose EspritCAM is because of the easy programming. It has an automation module where we can generate the program very easily without much skill dependency. It helped us to reduce the machine idle time, and we were able to get into the production with our existing resources. This helps us a lot to produce the component and deliver it on time. The experience with Millwright was outstanding. They were able to support us with the training, implementation, and cutting of the real parts. And they were also able to convert my existing laser cutting operator into an Esprit programmer within a span of 3 days. And we also managed to convert one of our laser operator into an VMC setup using the Setsmart, which was provided by Millwright. If you are setting up your VMC and struggling with skill dependencies in setting up the machine, I highly recommend Millwright and their expertise with these Esprits. They will be able to cater to your needs within a short lead time, and I highly recommend them. Thank you.